You are watching Joelma channel. We are facing some technical difficulties, everyone, and I have some bad news to tell you. Apparently, my Watermark book is not working anymore. I had some ingredients for this cloning and this one, but I'm warning for never exist this one. For no exist this one because of some matter reason. As a result, this right for the Watermark. As it no exist this one because it's very ideal for a very so sad in this one. Unfortunately, don't worry, we'll be back for new Watermark for this one. Anyways, enjoy the video because this is so. Don't wait. We'll be changed the program. Here is the news.